The 2026 FIFA World Cup is the biggest sporting event ever held on American soil. 48 teams, 16 host cities, an estimated 5 million visitors, and somewhere between $5 and $11 billion flowing through the U.S. economy over 6 weeks. Most people are thinking about watching it. A smaller group is thinking about cashing in on it. This video is for the second group. I'm going to walk you through 6 realistic, specific ways ordinary Americans can generate income during the tournament, from side hustles you can start this week to bigger plays that take a few months to set up. No hype, no crypto schemes, real stuff. The host cities are New York/New Jersey, Los Angeles, Dallas, San Francisco Bay Area, Seattle, Miami, Atlanta, Boston, Kansas City, Houston, Philadelphia, and Guadalajara/Monterrey/Mexico City on the Mexican side. If you live in or near any of those U.S. cities, your home is worth significantly more than usual for specific match weeks. Fans traveling internationally book months out and pay premium rates, especially for groups. A 3-bedroom in Dallas during a group stage week could net $300 to $600 a night. What to do right now? Check your city's match schedule on FIFA's official site. Price comparable listings on Airbnb. If the math works, list early. International travelers book early, and early listings get more reviews. One caveat: check your lease or HOA. Some prohibit short-term rentals, and register with your city if required. Several host cities have short-term rental registration rules. 5 million visitors means enormous demand for merchandise, food, experiences, and convenience items, and a lot of that demand won't be met by official vendors. What sells? Custom flags and scarves. Fans traveling from Brazil, Argentina, England, Mexico will pay for gear if they couldn't bring enough. Local experience packages. I'll show you around Dallas or the best spots near the stadium. Food from fans' home countries. A Colombian family selling homemade empanadas outside a tailgating area has a real business for 6 weeks. Phone chargers, rain ponchos, sunscreen near stadiums, basic convenience items that stadium vendors overprice. Platforms, Etsy for custom merch, TaskRabbit or Airbnb experiences for tours, direct sales near fan zones. Check city permits. Most host cities are creating official fan zones with vendor applications open now. Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart will all surge dramatically in host cities on match days. This isn't complicated. If you have a car and a driver's account, just be available on those days. The strategic play: don't drive to the stadium, drive away from it. Post-match, everyone needs a ride, and the area is gridlocked. Position yourself 1 to 2 miles out and let the surge pricing come to you. Experienced gig drivers in major sports markets consistently report 2 to 3x normal rates on big event nights. This one has more upside, but takes more setup. The World Cup is a massive content moment. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and podcasts will have enormous audiences for World Cup content between now and June 2026. Niches that are underserved right now: American fans learning soccer or football culture for the first time, city guides for international fans visiting specific host cities, behind-the-scenes fan culture content, tailgates, watch parties, local scenes, language content, teaching fans basic phrases in Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Arabic, the major fan languages traveling. The window to build an audience before the tournament is now. Channels that start in late 2025 and post consistently will have real followings by June 2026. Monetization comes through AdSense, brand deals, tourism boards, sports brands, and affiliate links. If you have a marketable skill, there are World Cup-specific applications for it. Translation and interpretation. FIFA and host city organizations hire translators, so do hotels, corporate sponsors, and media companies. If you speak Spanish, Portuguese, French, Arabic, or German fluently, list yourself on pros.com, Upwork, or directly contact your local host city's visitor bureau. Photography. Fan photography is in high demand, not just professional editorial, but social content for brands, family portraits for international visitors, street photography that fans want to buy. Build a portfolio, create a simple booking page, and market in fan Facebook groups. Event staffing. Host cities and FIFA partners are hiring thousands of temporary staff, everything from hospitality to logistics to fan zone management. These jobs are posted through local staffing agencies and directly on the FIFA 2026 hiring portal. If you have some capital and time, there are bigger opportunities. Pop-up retail. Entrepreneurs who applied for vendor spots in fan zones in host cities and got approved are positioned to do serious volume. Applications for most cities are opening or opening soon. The investment is real. Booth fees, inventory, staffing, but the potential return is so. Ticket arbitrage. Legal in most states. Buy tickets when they go on sale, then sell later at market rate. The risk, if a popular team gets eliminated early, demand for their market's matches drops. Research before you commit capital. Accommodations investment. Some people in host cities are doing minor renovations now, adding a pull-out sofa, cleaning up a spare room, specifically to maximize their rental value during the tournament. Small investment, potentially significant return. The 2026 World Cup is genuinely a once-in-a-generation economic event for American host cities. The opportunities here are real, but they reward people who prepare now rather than scramble in June. Pick one thing from this video that fits your situation, your city, your skills, your available capital, and take one concrete step this week. Look up your city's match schedule. Check vendor applications. Set up that Airbnb listing. Start that first video. The tournament is coming whether you're ready or not. Might as well be ready.